Sioux City Tarp makes electric cover systems for many different trailer types, including end dump trailers. The LockDown electric flex system solves the problem of the dump trailer swinging rear door. Easy to run, each LockDown electric comes with a switch in the cab, and there's an option for a single-touch remote controller. If for any reason the motor loses power, the tarp can be moved manually because the U-joint can be removed. What makes this system unique on the market is the rear arm with the flex hose at the back of the trailer. This patented arm flexes as the rear door either swings open or pivots up and down. It's that simple, no unhooking or other hassles. That's why our system is the best on the market, and it works with all end-dump trailers. If you do ever need to unhook the FlexArm, there's a quick release for easy separation. Like all LockDown systems, the motor has a 3-year warranty, and there's a lifetime warranty on the steel arms. Regardless of the trailer's length, our 3.5-inch tube works with or without bows on the trailer. You have the option of using mesh or vinyl tarps. There's also an option for a solar panel and battery backup. If there's an obstruction or the cover is snow-packed, our system is designed to stop before any damage can be done to the motor or tarp. Every major component of our electric cover system is reinforced, making it the toughest on the market. From heavy-duty brackets to thick arm assemblies, each part is built tough. This particular setup uses a 6-inch offset to hold the tarp. Aluminum or rubber tarp stops can be used. When closing, the tarp comes over the top of the trailer and tucks underneath. The heart of our system is the remote box, stored in an IP68 waterproof case. Inside the remote box, you'll find one feature that no other system has: an amp control dial. With the turn of a dial, the power can be adjusted to meet the additional strain of our harsh winter weather. This extra power, along with the 5 spring arms in the front and rear, ensure that no matter how windy it gets, our tarps stay closed tight. At the bottom of the remote box is an additional control switch, giving you complete control of the operation of the tarp. The entire electrical system utilizes a plug-in wiring system, making it easy to install. You have the option to install the LockDown electric yourself in a couple of hours, have our system professionally installed here at the factory, or have it installed on site by one of our many experienced dealers. With the ease of opening the rear door and the ability to lock down the tarp even in the windiest of conditions, the LockDown electric flex system really is the best of both worlds. For more information, contact your dealer or give us a call at Sioux City Tarp, 888-258-6939. You can also visit us on the web at SiouxCityTarp.com.